In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for online course topics, fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you understand the latest trends and find the most relevant topics for your online courses. Whether you're a course creator or just exploring new ideas, this guide will show you how to make the most of it efficiently. First, start by opening up your preferred web browser and typing Google Trends into the search bar. Hit Enter, and then click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. This platform provides real-time data on what people are searching for on Google, making it an invaluable resource for identifying potential course topics. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Explore button and give it a click. It will take you to a page where you can begin investigating different terms. Now, think about the types of courses you're interested in developing. You should search for broad, course-related keywords or niche topics. For instance, try entering terms like online coding course, digital marketing course, graphic design course, AI course, data science course, or language learning online. After entering a keyword, press the Enter key on your keyboard, and you will see a trend graph appear. This graph allows you to visualize the interest level in that keyword over time, helping you understand if it's a viable idea for a course. It's important to refine your search further by setting the location and time range. This is done by selecting options at the top of the chart. Choose the target region or country you're interested in, as this can impact course popularity. As for the time range, looking at the past 12 months can give you a sense of recent interest, while checking data from the past 5 years will help identify long-term trends. To maximize your reach, examine the Interest by Region section. This section shows where the demand is highest and can be particularly useful if you're planning to target specific countries or languages. Knowing where to focus your efforts can significantly enhance your chances of success. Next, scroll down to discover the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. These are treasure troves filled with suggestions of other trending topics and queries related to your chosen keyword. Pay special attention to any rising or breakout keywords, as these indicate emerging course ideas worth considering. Some examples might include prompt engineering course, AI tools training, or remote work skills course. Lastly, if you have several topics in mind, use the plus compare function. This feature allows you to track the interest of different topics side by side, such as comparing the popularity of new gadgets or courses. This comparison can reveal which topic generates more buzz and inform your marketing focus. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to explore Google Trends and uncover the potential of your next online course topic. Dive in and let the data guide you to success.